Being rich isn't about luck, it's about the choices you make. You decide to be rich or poor. Yes, you heard me. You make that choice. Your thoughts create your reality, and by making the correct decisions today will create your future. So write down on a piece of paper your goals on how you're going to become wealthy. Start this journey by imagining your future self, the house you'd like to live in, the places you'd like to travel to, and write down a step-by-step plan on how you're going to achieve your future life. Once you have your plan, you then need to work out what you're going to have to do to get there. Success starts with a decision. The decision to take control of your life, build skills, and embrace opportunities. Invest in your growth. Spend your time wisely. Wealth isn't handed out. It's earned through determination, discipline, and consistent effort. Being rich is a choice. The question is, will you choose it?